Creating classes one by one in QuickBooks Desktop can take time, especially when your class list is already prepared in Excel, CSV, accountant templates, old company file exports, or another system. This is common when you track departments, locations, projects, divisions, or profit centers using classes in QuickBooks Desktop. Instead of creating each class manually, SaasAnt Transactions Desktop lets you import class data in bulk, map the fields, review the records before sending them to QuickBooks Desktop, and undo the import if needed. In this video, I'll show you how to import classes into QuickBooks Desktop using SaasAnt Transactions Desktop. To learn how to connect SaasAnt Transactions Desktop with QuickBooks Desktop, check the setup video link in the description. From the SaasAnt home screen, click Import. Now select Class as the list type. Next, browse and select your prepared class file from your system. You can also use sample templates if you need a clean file format. I'm choosing SaasAnt Default Mapping. Once the file is selected, continue to the mapping screen. SaasAnt will automatically map the fields in your file with the matching QuickBooks Class fields. To reuse this mapping later, click Add or Save Mapping. If needed, you can also adjust the mapping manually. Make sure the class name field is mapped correctly. Once the mapping is done, continue to the Review and Import screen. Here, review the class data before sending it to QuickBooks Desktop. You can also open Import Settings to control account and class creation and how SaasAnt finds accounts or classes. Adjust the settings if needed, then click Save. Once everything looks correct, click Send to QuickBooks Desktop. SaasAnt will now validate the file and import the classes into QuickBooks Desktop. After the import is completed, you'll see the results summary. Here, you can check the successful records, failed records, and errors if any. If any record fails, fix the error and re-import the corrected record. To verify the imported classes, go back to QuickBooks Desktop and open the class list. Use Undo if you need to roll back the imported class data. You can also download the import result for your records. That's how you can import classes into QuickBooks Desktop in bulk using SaasAnt Transactions Desktop.